Good evening, everyone. What's up? Just ate a satisfying meal and topped it off with a measly dessert. This is Mr. Hot speaking. Previously, there was a review on the Cinnamon Nature Valley granola bars. Today's the 239th review, and today's review is on another granola bar, but it's on the Nature Valley Crunchy Coconut Granola Bars. Whole new wrapper, 190 calories per 2 bars, 1.49 ounces. So the ingredients are whole grain oats, sugar, coconut oil, toasted coconut, brown sugar syrup, yellow corn flour, soy flour, honey, salt, soy lecithin, baking soda, natural flavors. Contains coconut and soy. The ingredients are right there. If one wants to get a glimpse of this, that's enough. Now with the nutrition. 190 calories, 9 grams of fat, 15%, 3 grams of saturated fat, 14%, 160 milligrams of sodium, 7%, 27 grams of carbs, 9%, 3 grams of fiber, 11%, 10 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, 4% iron. 1 extra gram of fiber than the cinnamon one. Hooray! So the nutrition's right here. That's enough of that. Now, here's the granola bar. Doesn't really look too much like a coconut granola bar, but it kind of does. Because it's very yellow. It's more yellow than white. It has a nice coconut scent, coconut essence. Definitely smells like toasted coconut or coconut extract. So let's give this delicious crunchy bar a taste, shall we? Mmm. 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 It has a weak coconut flavor, but it's not bad. It still tastes very good though. So it has a little bit of a toasted coconut flavor in this crunchy sweet granola bar. Overall, this gets a 10 out of 10. What would be an improvement would to have more of a coconut flavor instead of this weak coconut flavor, a lot stronger, but that would add too many calories, however. That's all there's to say for this review. See you in the 240th review. Good night.